Hi there, I'm Dr. Nishita, a hair doctor to the nation. Okay, so let's talk about platelet-rich plasma, which is PRP, and IPRF, which is platelet-rich fibrin. PRP or platelet-rich plasma is pioneer in regenerative medicine. It involves drawing your blood, extracting platelets, and re-injecting them into the scalp. Now, IPRF, that is evolution. The intraplatelet-rich fibrin process takes PRP to the next level. It enhances the concentration of growth factors for superior results. Both IPRF and PRP aim for hair rejuvenation, addressing concerns like hair loss and thinning. But the nuances lie in their formulations. IPRF is actually done in this red bulb where fibrin matrix offers sustained release, provides a longer lasting impact. It's the intricate dance of platelets and fibrin that sets it apart, while PRP elevates the game, offering enhanced efficacy and durability. The choice between IPRF and PRP depends on your unique needs. Consult with our expert to craft a personalized plan for your hair journey.